Take me down to the meadow, made you cry. Tell me all you know, but don't ask me why. Was that you that dropped your rhubarb down the river, under the deep blue sky, the deep blue sky? The busy bird, the rocky road, steal the night and brighten your soul. This is long. I forgot the lyrics. Well, tell me the thoughts of the fellow who used to fly, climb the walls of the meadow till you reach the sky. Was that you dropped your sunrise behind my eyes, behind my eyes? The busy bird, the rocks hero, steal the night and brighten your soul. Reflection, soaring gold, that sunrise burns the back of my skull, back of my skull. Busy bird, the rocks they roll, steal the night and brighten your soul. Reflection, soaring gold, that sunrise burns the back of my skull, back of my skull. The black sand cools my feet, reminds me of fools like me. The sunrise beyond your face, it touches my soul with grace, with grace, with grace, with grace.
Hey, I'm John English. I want to invite you to the Toe Up Cup.
Hi, my name is Johnny English. Welcome to the Toe Up Cup.
Hello everybody, I'm Johnny English. Welcome to the Toe Up Cup.
Hey, my name's Johnny English and welcome to the Toe Up Cup.
Oh, hey, I'm Johnny English and welcome to the Toe Up Cup.
There you go. See, good job.
Okay.
Maybe not right now.
Damn it! Johnny English pulls no tail. I'm out.
No tail.
So here we are with Mike Juarez, one of the main organizers of the Toe Up Cup. Mike, what's happening?
Well, right now we're just kind of waiting for it to fill up here. We're about to start serving beer here pretty soon. And we're just trying to get some intermediate kayakers pumped and ready to go, huck their carcass through Troublemaker.
What else are we expecting for the day, Mike?
A lot of drunk people, hopefully some boobies, and, you know, it'll be fun.
Mr. Wacky, folks. First point into a mouth stall. He's pumping. He's spinning. Into a stern. Third point. Fourth point. Fifth point. Sixth point. Seventh. Eighth. He's looking at the hole. Into the hole, guys. Into a screw roll. Into a loop. First point to mouth stall. Bring it back around. Second point. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Screw, air screw off the first leg. Into the hole, going the wheel. Here comes the beat down. Screw roll. The screw roll. He loves this hole, guys. Cheer him on! Cross right by. That's alright. He's looking at that rock. He wants to jib. Jib the rock. Oh, sick! Oh my god! Jeez, that was
Same, like they're like boom and they're like wee, doing like these cartwheels.